Good morning, everyone. So this is our first trial of this. It's not actually a lesson, it's just me saying hi. But if it works well, then we'll try it for some lessons in the future. If you haven't been checking in with Google Classroom, make sure that you're trying to check in every day. Those that you have, you've been giving me some good questions, and I've been trying to answer those for you. I will continue to do that as well. If I haven't heard from you today, I'm going to be trying to make some phone calls and make sure you're not having any trouble with Google Classroom. So make sure that you're either working on your Rocket or you're working on the bookwork, and that one way or the other that you kind of let me know which one you're working on. There's an assignment in there so that I can know which one. But today is Wednesday, and those assignments are due on Friday, so I just wanted to touch base with you. Super excited. Been lots of good grades, lots of good pictures of rockets. I've been in touch with Mr. Torrey at 4-H, so hopefully we'll be able to get something worked out in the future. I want to remind you that every day we take Energizer breaks in here whenever you're studying, and that exercise is really important at home. So make sure that you're finding some way to do that. Some of you are going to think this is funny. Even TikTok counts. As much as I hate those dances in classrooms, dance your little hearts out at home. But something to kind of make sure that you're getting up and moving around and enjoying yourself. So if I haven't already heard from you, make sure that you touch base with me in Google Classroom. And if you have questions, let me know, and I will be in touch with each of you soon. And have a great Wednesday. Bye, guys.